So what are we currently doing, Nathan, at this particular junction in our operation?
We're going to
try to insert something into the hole.
You have to put it in the hole, and then get it out of the hole. Like that. Like that. Okay.
Yeah, but what does this mean for our fans?
This means that if you're in this situation, you can always find a piece of wire and do the same thing to run wire loom. They also sell the proper propa tool for the job.
But isn't that an abortion kit at the drug clinic?
What? A wire hanger would work perfectly. That's what we're trying to say. So that don't come out. So we got the little connectors there. You gotta push them all up through here. Get all these connectors in the hole. Now we have this. We can run.
So we're going to run this for the lock mechanism as well as lights and alarm settings.
Yep. Now, magnifico. Success. All right.
Okay, Mr. Chow.
So we're going to insert the junction ports.
Yeah. So we put the junction and we clip these in. So now the lights are wired through. And we just pop these into place because Gareth showed us how super easy that is. And we pop this one in place. So those are done. Now we plug in the box for the electronic locks.
Electronic lock mechanism computer system.
Oh, they work.
Yeah. These are clipped in. I have to. I don't think it matters which way it goes, but this has to go in here, and then this goes in here, and then before we bolt it on,
oh my gosh, guys, look.
Goes in here, this goes here, and this goes right there, you see that? That's the lock mechanism. Now we bolt it on.
Why does this flashlight suck?
Because it's probably from Harbor Freight.
Global warming.
For free.
Harbor Freight.
Alright, so.
You got the hole right there?
Yeah, right there.
I'll do it slightly. I would do it slightly. Do it slightly so you're able to move around the other two before.
Where is the trailer?
Okay, so now we adjust this. I don't know how to adjust this.
Oh no, but it's only
Right in the
recording
middle.
for 2 minutes and 59 seconds. Does it retape over itself?
It that will tape for 14 hours because of the card that's in there. There we go. Now when we unlock right here, it'll unlock it, and that's locked. You want to try it?
You ready to try it?
Yeah.
Unlock. Oh, it's already unlocked.
That worked.
Yep. No action.
Do all the locks?
Yeah, but I think that's if the trunk closed.
Oh, okay. Well, let's close it. Hold on, before we close it, let's test the close the button. This is how you test it. Screwdriver right here. Right here. So that's locked. Right? So your trunk won't open. Push it, unlock. So now we know this works. Perfect. Now we can test the key.
Ooh, tight as a glove.
Does it come up? Nope, nope, it's locked. Yeah. That's your lock mechanism. We didn't use the one from the...
Watch your finger, dude.
It's fine, I know what it's for. Is that the biggest bit?
Yeah. Oh, dude, the shavings are so hot.
There's the Beamer.
Beamer, Benz, or Bentley. Whatever it is, he's best, bro.
Yeah. Butterfish. Oh, you're good on that. Oh, he's got a shaving on my chest there right here. Look,
Why does it look like a giant
inspiration? Look, you got a shaving right here on my hair. During the daytime, so we just finished putting it in. It's cool, it's got a lip. Lip sticks out about 2 inches past the stem. Yeah, it was cool, super cool. Love it. Very mid-90s. Car just added what, 50 horsepower, 60 horsepower?
Definitely.
Yeah. Now it's a road demon. That's a good name for a car, road demon. Actually, now the BMW is a 325 IS. Now a hybrid vehicle.
The word is tran.
Tran? It's a Tran. It's now a tranny. Alright. Peace out, guys. Always keep it is best. Hey guys, welcome back. So, we finished the spoiler yesterday night. Super late. And it got dark so you couldn't see everything that happened. So here we go. This is the spoiler, and it is at least in full sun today. Yeah, it worked out well. I'm going to show you guys how we made it last night. So the sides drill these gnarly holes to get the pilot holes made to drill the screw into the spoiler, and that's why we bought a trunk lid from the junkyard that color matched the car perfectly. So anyway, that's what we had to do. That's what we did last night, all the drilling in the junkyard trunk lid. Swapped all the internals out in here, and anyway, that's all the work you got to go through to install the spoiler, which we realized was a replica of the original, and it's nice. Oh, And so now it's 325 is BMW. Alright. So we can't let it slime shut anymore because the screws are literally, one screw is here, like way in the back, and the other one is like right here. So there's no screw up here, so it'll wobble. And they said 3M taped it, double sticked. You can see over there the gap. Sure, there's a gap here too. Anyway, so there's no screw up here to hold this down. So if you want to do a better job than we did, you should probably take this apart. This is 2 pieces. Take it apart and make 3 or 2 properly spaced screw spots for it to get it down better. If this gets loose in the future, that's what we're going to do. We're going to take it apart and rebuild it from the inside because we're not too pleased with the outcome. It does look nice. I think it handles the pressure well. And I asked Gareth about rear visibility, but this car has a rear view mirror. Delete. It fell off while he was driving. So there's no rear view mirror. So rear visibility is just as good as it was before the spoiler was installed. Anyway, thanks for watching. Always is best, bro.